This is Greg McGlosky, and this is a Forex commentary for FXDD, taking a look at the euro versus US dollar as it tries to push to the upside here. As you can see here off the 5-minute chart, the market, there are some key levels in the euro that I've been looking at, and one in particular is this. Actually, I'm going back and forth here, but this is 125.69 level. If you take a look at the high from April down to the low, the 125.69 is the 38.2% retracement. And that level has held here today. You can see that in the 5-minute chart, especially in the New York session. The market came down. We actually broke through that 69 level, but failed on the downside. Went to a low of 64 and quickly came back above that level. So this gave the bulls a little bit more oomph, and the market pushed its way through my next resistance level, which is 100 bar moving average on the on this 5-minute chart, and then above the 200 bar moving average, and that helped push the market through the 126 to 126.11 area. What's the significance of those two areas? If you go to the hourly chart, just looking at recent history, the 126 level has been a level of resistance, really 126 to 126.11. This high on July 2nd came in at 126.11. This high came at 126.06, and you can see the number of little highs at the 126 and lows at the 126 level. So that move through those levels has pushed the euro back higher. Currently testing the 120, or currently trading at 126.29, just short of the high for the day at 126.34. So we do, but we do have to put things in perspective. We do have a narrow range here, about 80 pips here for the day. We should see an extension to the upside. Where's the next resistance level? Needless to say, that's double top at 126.61. What's the significance of that? Well, it's actually the 126.71 level. Market had some early sellers against the 71 level. That was the high going back to May 21st on 2010, 126.71. That's going to be the next level that the market is going to have to get through. We'll see if the market can breach today's high at 34 and head up toward that level. If it does break that level, next target 127.84, 50% of the same range move to the downside here. So the euro continues its grinding higher here from the lows that we saw here in June. Definitely a move to the upside, but from a technical perspective, it's still a very weakish type move. But nevertheless, that's the direction it's going. This is Greg Michalowski with a look at the euro versus US dollar for FXDD.